So in order for you to remove the front sway bar on a Mercedes-Benz 2011 W221, you have to get enough clearance. In order to get enough clearance, you have to jack it up from one side, either the left or the right, doesn't matter. Once you do that, you have to unscrew these. Bam, once you unscrew that, before touching the suspension, make sure this line, well, either the left or the right, whichever you're doing first, is going to be taken out so it could be decompressed, right? The air has to come out. Once the air comes out, that's when you slightly remove the screw just a little bit on each one, all the way to the tippy top. Once it's at the tippy top and the wheel is off, you're going to have to, let me see if there you go. You're going to have to take out that fucking bolt. Once you take out that bolt, there's going to be two bolts on either side of the suspension, left or the right. Once you get to that point on the left or the right, take that out, pull back on this thing. Once you pull back on it, it should give you enough clearance to remove this fucking sway bar. Yeah, it's gonna be a mission, but it's gonna be done. But all right, so I'm gonna start by first, what do you call it? Loosening this so the air pressure could come out of the strut. Once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna see what else I need to do. I really don't think at this moment that I need to do these, but who knows? God knows, right? So I'll let you guys know. So first I'm gonna start doing this. It's gonna come out. Once that comes out, I'm gonna see if, for sure this has to come out. Oh, right here. This has to come out. Once this comes out, you have to get to that bolt right there and that bolt right there. Let's see if this is under pressure. No, not too bad. All right, already, of course you can see the bolts were on, but I'm gonna have to get to this. So once that pops out, I'm gonna try to take this piece off from that side. Once that pops out, I'm gonna get the new piece and fucking slide that bitch in. Also, please make sure you're fucking safe. I got one. Of course, I should have put the tire under. But at the same time, if I don't have to, I'm not going to, but I put one. This is all the way down, so this shit can't fucking fall on me. There ain't shit that this car could do to kill me, right? Thank God. Knock on fucking wood. Well, knock on Mercedes Benz. God damn. Fucking bitch. I got this motherfucker right there, that motherfucker right there, and that motherfucker right there. So, right, let me zoom in on this hole. All right, right there, that hole right there, that fucking line, that's gonna be a sway bar. We're gonna get this bitch done. Fuck, it's gonna be a hoe, but hey, it beats going to Mercedes and paying God knows how much to move this simple fucking sway bar. All right, I'll keep you guys posted.